Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. What I have here today is by Herr's. It's part of their Game Day flavors. I guess they've got a couple different ones out right now. This is the Carolina style barbecue pulled pork. I like a barbecue pulled pork. Is that going to translate to a potato chip? I don't know. It doesn't seem like, in most cases, that meat flavors translate very well to potato chips. It doesn't seem like I like the meat chip. Let's see if I like this one. These are the ribbed, or whatever you call that, ruffled. That actually kind of tastes like a regular barbecue. I don't taste pork. It's a slightly sweet barbecue flavor, not a powerful flavor. I get no pork flavor at all. So if that's what you want from this, you're not going to get it. But if you're wanting a somewhat average barbecue chip, this is your chip. I mean, not bad, nothing to go crazy about. 5 out of 10 flushes. You saw it right, you heard it right. Now tell me how wrong it is. P.S. Tell someone you love them.